Hello, good morning everyone. Gising na at tingnan ang inyong mga bintana. Ang ganda-ganda ng creation ni Jesus Christ. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Very nice at my window. Pagising ko sa umaga, binuksan ko ang bintana namin at yan ang nakita ko. So, gising na mga friends. What a lovely morning we have this October 2. Thank you for watching.